We're back, guys. Hadn't made a video in a while. Had some family stuff going. Had to go to the doctor, my annual stuff, yada yada. You know, you get old, you got to go to the doctor, and it takes 2 or 3 trips. You got to go to the dentist, and it takes, lucky for me, this time 1 trip. Anyway, we got the blue 92 Coupe loaded up. We're gonna go to testing tune tonight, Little River. Getting a little earlier start. It's about 4:30 Friday afternoon. Got the car loaded, got the golf cart loaded. Made a few changes to the car. We knocked 3 jets out of the secondary because it was running so fat. We knew that. The engine builder and the guy that tuned the car told me. So we knocked 3 jet sizes out of the rear. We also took the car back to Randy's mufflers, had him put a cross pipe on it, welded us a bung in there. We got an AEM air fuel ratio meter. Kind of curious to see what it does when we go through the traps now. When they did the initial testing on it, the car went through at like 11.7, so it was fat. So we took three jet sizes out of the secondaries. Going to make some passes tonight. Got an in-car camera. Hopefully, if we can figure out how to get it all to work. Got 2 cameras on the outside of the car, and my wife's going to be filming with her phone. So we should have some video to add into this thing. So let's get this thing on the road. We're going to load up, head that way. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Alright guys, we're here at the track. There's not a lot of folks here tonight. Test and tune tonight. They got a big 18-wheeler heavy truck race tomorrow, so there's a few people showing up, but right now you can see we're toward the end. There's 4 or 5 cars down there. There's our rig. There's my crew chief. We're gonna go down here and get teched in, and we'll come back, get the hood on this thing, make a couple hits, see what we do. Y'all stand by for the next clip.
All right, guys, let's look at the slips. First pass was on. We made it about 7:24 p.m. Right off the trailer, run 789 at 86.86. Hot lapped it, and like a normal substandardness, I didn't record the DA or anything on that pass. Come around, second pass, hot lap. Come back, backed it up with a 784, picked it up a little bit. Hit the rev limiter on 1-2 and the 2-3 shift. Good grief. Anyway, mile an hour was down, went faster. I think that is the best 330 that we did. 498 to 330. Anyway, come back around. Took a little time off, checked fuel, checked the car. Everything looked fine. Rolled up there, run 781 at 87.9 miles an hour. Hot lapped it again. Come back up there. Oh, and that pass was in the left lane. This is in the left lane too. Come up there, rolled up, run 793 at 86. And when we left the starting line, I could tell it was spinning or it got a little wonky. One of the rear slicks was 2 pounds lower. So I did check them all. I had 14 pounds when we got there. I don't know. Anyway, got that lined out, rolled back up there, got back in the right lane, made a hit, 779 at 87.87 miles an hour. Personal best for the car for us. Hot lapped it, come back around, run a 775 at 87.74 miles an hour. Got a little better. Roll back around, back to back to back, run a 775 at 87.74 miles an hour again. And we were under the 5-second barrier at 330. Now, I think the best 60 foot that we had for us to date, let me see here. Best 60 foot, I think we were, did we break into the 1.6s any? No. Best 60 foot was right there, would be the second pass where I bumped the rev limiter. Actually, that probably would have been a PB for the car. It went 170 with a 9. 1700 with a 9 to 60 foot. It went 498 to the 330 and ran 784 with me bumping the rev limiter on 2-3 shift. And you can hear it on the video. There's no hiding it. Anyway, that's time slips. All 7 of them. Y'all stand by for the next clip.
All right, guys, here we are. This Tuesday morning, we went test and tune Friday night, just doing a little wrap-up video on it. Been busy, had a couple things going. As you can see, we went over the time slips of the previous little clip. Best so far for us, 775 at 87. There's more in the car. The car's still mud fat. Really couldn't see the AFR gauge on the video. The driver's really not smart enough to look at it when he goes through the traps or when he's top of the gear. I did glance at it one time. It was an 11 point, I think it was 11.8 was the highest I've seen it. So, that being said, we're going through the 8th mile at about a little, 5,000 RPM, 5,200. So, we're going to take some jetting out of the primaries and get ready to make another hit. Gonna have to see when the next test and tune is. I think they have one Friday night, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that one. My wife's gonna have a little foot surgery. But anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. We're gonna have some more videos on the car. Appreciate you guys for watching us. Like and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't done so. Big shout out to all you Mustang guys that's out there following us on Substandard Fox Body page. And I go through that thing every day and look. I'm just amazed at all the guys that's out there that's doing stuff like what I do. You know, I'm not a big money racing operation or none of that stuff. I do all my own wrenching. I know absolutely nothing about carburetors, so I'm learning. I ping those guys, Rodney and David, and those guys that are carbureted. Old Pirate, he stays off the carb life for now, but he's coming around. We working on him. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.